Oh, hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and this is my friend Stout, and today we're going to be showing you how to make some really great projects using paper tubes. It's going to be great, and this is what we're going for when we're done. And as you can see, Stout's an expert, so he's going to show you all about it. And we also have some other projects we're going to be showing you after we're done with this. And also we just wanted to wish you happy April Fools. What's that? What's this? Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes for real this time. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I've got some really great chipboard. This is all the way from Poland from our friends at Scrapboking. And let me show you what each one of these is. This is the large frame Lavender Mist chipboard. And then we've got the wheelbarrow Lavender Mist. We've also got the herbal garland lavender chipboard rather. And then we've got the background chipboard. And we've got the oval frame Lavender Mist. We've also got the Lavender Mist in a pot chipboard. And finally this three-piece bouquet Lavender Mist chipboard. So we made some really fun projects for you, and this time for real, come play with us. This first project, this page, uses the three-piece bouquet Lavender Mist chipboard, and as you can see, I didn't color it or do anything to it. It's just the natural chipboard, and it's so pretty against this coral lace paper pack by Hot Off the Press. And I just added a little coordinating ribbon, and then on the top here you can see I did add some Coral Coast sparklets just to give a little sparkle there, leaving the chipboard natural though. And then down at the bottom here I added some ballet pink pixie petal flower, just one right there, to give it just a little dimension right there. And I just matted this piece on a circle die cut and just cut the paper from there. As you can see, naturally it's just really beautiful to use and easy to use. So I used this entire pack right here for this. But I also wanted to show you how you can color it. So this card is actually in progress. Here we go. And for this one, I used the large frame Lavender Mist chipboard, and I colored it right here. So let me show you how I did that. Here's the other little piece right here that comes with this. And as you can see, I still had a really nice piece here. On one side, it's got sort of a brown tinge to it, if you can see, and that's from the laser. So this side also has a really cool natural look, but it's more detailed on this side, and you can tell because it's got the writing at the top right corner. So let's go ahead and color. I used my favorite tri-blend markers from Spectrum Noir. I used, let's see, this is dark red, and then I also used citrus green blend, and colored the citrus green by just adding a little bit of dark down at the bottom of the stems, and then using the middle shade, just worked my way up like that. And then for the red, just added a little bit of dark at the base right here of all, now these are like lavenders, but I just found that if you add color to them, they can be really any kind of wildflower that you like. So these would look equally beautiful colored periwinkle or purple. I wanted to do something a little less obvious to show you that the color is really just versatile. And then I'm doing the lightest shade up at the top. Go. As you can see, they take the color really, really well. Here we go. All right, so I did the same thing to the wreath. And then of course this greeting is Heartfelt Thanks from Creative Expressions. It's the mini expressions. I just cut that out of black cardstock as well. To make the easel card, I simply cut this card down to a 5-inch square, folded just the top half like that, and then cut a square and matted it of yellow paper and put it right there. And this particular paper pack is Joyride paper pack from hot off the press. So I put a few pieces of foam tape, if I can get it off here. Normally I wouldn't color and put foam tape, but I would do it the other way around. There we go. And I'm putting some foam tape on there because this piece is going to go on the inside, and I want it to be sort of a little stopper for our card. There we go. So I put it right here, and because it's got extra dimension on it, it'll just hold this card in place once it's stuck down. There we go, just like this. And we also want just a little bit more color. So I'm going to add a bow on here. And this is from the gingham ribbon set at Paper Wishes. Put a little glue on here. This is the Cosmic Shimmer glue that I just used to make the entire card. I'm going to put that right there. And as you can see, it's all set up. Ready to go. Right, and for this last card, here we go. There we go. This one, I actually embossed these beautiful pieces, and to do that, I used, whoops, I just dropped the color, the yellow on the ground. Okay. This is actually Wow Trios. This is the floral color with 3 beautiful embossing powders, and it's inspired by our friend Sarah Newman. So I used this red color. This one is Azalea, and it's a beautiful red. And let me show you how this goes. We're going to use the Wow embossing pen to do this. And I'm going to use, I think, just a piece of chipboard from this other set to show you how this is going to work. Oops, I just lost a piece there. They do evacuate nicely, but you do have to be careful, and I wasn't careful. All right, so what we're going to do is first, I'm going to take a green marker, and I'm going to color the stems just between the pieces, just a dot of color, just like this. All right, then I'm going to take this embossing pen that already has embossing liquid on it. If you're not familiar with embossing powders or embossing ink, it's just a clear ink that's sticky, and we're going to put that directly on our pieces here. And Steve, if we could kind of zoom in a little bit on this last one. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of powder just on the side. I found that was easier than trying to get it individually on the pieces. And because the only pieces that are only portions are colored were the blossoms, that's just going to stick right there on those blossoms. And then I'm going to take a heat gun, turn it on high, and then we're going to heat that and get that beautiful flecked, kind of a cream color and a red. And you know it's melted when it turns glossy. There we go. That nice glossy finish on it. And I'll give you a closer look at the original card, glossy that is. And I found that it looks really nice on a dark colored surface. So as you can see, all this beautiful chipboard, it's really versatile, and there's lots of fun things that you can do with it. We've got a wonderful money saver on this today, so I would encourage you to check that out. If you are watching us on Paper Wishes, the money saver is to your right in the little box to the right, and you just click on that. And if you're watching us on YouTube, the money saver is in the description box just below the video, and you can also find a link to paperwishes.com where you can find lots more videos and fun goodies to play with. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.